A project work is usually performed by the team members who are co-located. However, in certain industries, where it is feasible, some portion of the workforce used to work remotely, usually from home on a need basis. The concept of distributed teams was also in practice where multiple teams are spread across the globe after the invention of the Internet. Post-pandemic, remote working has become a norm, and as per research, majority of the people, greater than 90%, are not inclined to return back to offices, which has become a major concern in the industry where remote working is feasible. Before COVID, the number of people working from home used to be in the range of 0 to 20% depending on the region, culture. It is a debatable topic: work from home or work from office, which is better? The intermittent solution being employed is the hybrid model where people work from office for few days and work remotely for few days. Before we delve deep, let us quickly understand how the project teams are organized. Project teams can be organized as 1. All at one physical location, co-location. 2. Teams distributed physically across multiple geographies. 3. Remote working, virtual, across multiple locations and geographies. 4. Teams working in multiple time zones, physically, virtually. In this session, let us look at the benefits, challenges, and best ways of managing projects with remote working. Benefits of remote working. 1. Increased productivity. Individual productivity and team productivity increases due to the availability of time that is saved due to commute, increased levels of motivation, more flexibility, increased focus, etc. 2. Better work-life balance. Due to the flexibility in remote working, there will be a reasonable balance to take care of personal needs, of course not compromising the work. Better work-life balance increases motivation, accountability, and productivity. 3. Save time and costs due to commute from home and office. The time saved in commute can be utilized to manage the flexibility of working hours and ensure timely completion of tasks. The transportation cost are an additional saving for the individual. There will be additional saving of office infrastructure and operating costs. 4. Health benefits. Improved health due to the reduction of stress both physically and mentally. Happy minds are more healthier. 5. Motivated employees. Employees stay motivated due to the benefits of remote working and show their loyalty to the project and the organization. Challenges with remote working. 1. Infrastructure. Remote working requires infrastructure like desk, chair, dedicated office space without any disturbances, hardware, software, continuous electricity, and good quality of internet connectivity, software, and tools. Most of them incur costs, few of them create issues that hamper the work. For example, slow internet or loss of internet may end up delivery issues, increased stress, loss of job, etc. 2. Culture and mindset. For remote working, individual mindset and the overall culture plays a major role. If an individual does not have a supportive mindset for the remote working culture, it will impact the overall output of the work and also demotivate the teams. 3. Burnout. Teams tend to work for extra time as there is time saved due to commute and an assumption of expectation of working long hours due to remote working, resulting in employee burnout, which may result in increased stress, demotivation, and reduced quality of work. 4. Health issues. Due to sedentary work and no physical exercise, there could be health issues arising out of remote working. Too many phone, audio calls continuously on a daily basis cause stress and fatigue, and occasional health issues like loss of hearing, etc. Continuously staring at the computer or mobile screens for meetings due to remote working may result in eye and nervous damage, which can be avoided in physical meetings. 5. Unavailability. Too much flexibility may result in employee unavailability, resulting in delays and demotivation, increased stress for others as most of the work for a team has dependencies. 6. No social connect. For projects to be successful, there should be a social connect and also verbal and nonverbal communication that helps the projects in multiple ways from planning to execution, and most importantly, communication. Teams that are bonded well result in increased productivity, and this bonding is not possible in remote working. Best ways to manage remote work. 1. Process. Design a process to address the challenges, for example, conduct daily status meetings, prepare a team charter and document the ways of working that are in agreement with the team. 2. Tools. Use cloud-based tools for project management activities like planning, creating and update tasks, log time, collaboration, document management, communication tools for increased productivity and efficiency. 3. Culture, discipline, values and ethics. Foster a culture to ensure team is motivated, disciplined, produce timely deliverables, maintain the quality standards. It is important to train the teams on maintaining the culture, display moral values and ethics, which plays a critical role as part of the organization culture. Respect for individuals is also an important factor of the team culture. 4. Self-organizing teams. Self-organizing teams are high-performing and motivate others, create an environment of trust and respect. 5. Effective communication. Communication is the key for project management. 90% of the time project manager is involved in communication. In the case of remote working, it becomes much more critical for effectively communicating to ensure the project is delivered on time within budget and meeting the quality standards. On the other hand, engage the teams on a daily basis, keep track of the progress and communicate updates to key stakeholders. 6. Team coordination. Daily sync-up meetings, other meetings, one-to-one communication, coordinating between multiple stakeholders and ensure all the stakeholders are aligned. In this fast-changing world and huge competition, the projects are run on very tight schedules and any lapse in coordination will be very costly. 7. Effective meetings. Ensure the meetings are effectively and efficiently conducted. Considering the noise in the tools and environments, virtual meetings, it is very important to efficiently conduct the meetings to ensure productivity and minimize the stress of meetings. Discipline and right way of conducting meetings plays a vital role. Avoid anti-patterns. 8. Infrastructure. Infrastructure is the backbone for the remote working. Ensure zero downtime of network connectivity and power along with an office-like setup, which should be mandatory for teams operating remotely on a continuous basis. 9. Managing productivity and result-oriented mindset. Project managers' utmost responsibility is to plan and execute the project work, ensuring productivity and focus on metrics and reporting, while forecasting the future in terms of timely completion of work, managing risks, managing stakeholders. 10. Trust. Last but not the least, the remote working runs around building and maintaining the mutual trust. Without trust, the remote working is going to be a failure.
Thank you for watching the video. Please share your feedback in the comments section. If you liked the video and would like to see more on the concepts of project management, request you to please like and subscribe. We'll be back with much more interesting and improvised content soon.